Some fancy footwork. You're chasing the kitties away. You stepping on the puppy? Telling him to get out of the way? Easy. Say, Freckles, move! You got the whole deck, you gotta sit on her feet. What's he doing to you? Hold on. Hold on.